In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Analytics account. As you might be aware, deleting a Google Analytics account is a permanent action, so it's essential to ensure this is exactly what you want to do before proceeding. Let's dive into the steps to properly and safely delete your account. First, you'll need to ensure that you have the correct level of access to perform this operation. In Google Analytics, only users with the editor role, or ideally the administrator role at the account level, can delete an account. So before you proceed, double-check that you have the necessary permissions. This is crucial because without these permissions, you won't be able to make any changes, let alone delete an account. Once you've confirmed your access, head over to the admin settings. You can access these by navigating to analytics.google.com in your web browser. Once there, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon labeled Admin. Click on this icon to open the admin settings. This is your central hub for account management tasks, so familiarizing yourself with these settings can be quite beneficial. Now, in the admin panel, you'll notice three main columns labeled Account, Property, and View. In the first column, titled Account, select the specific account you wish to delete. Make sure you choose carefully, as you don't want to accidentally select the wrong account. Deleting an account is a significant action and can lead to data loss, so it's vital to be sure you're working on the correct account. With the correct account selected, it's time to move the account to the trash can. Click on Account Settings, which you'll find within that same first column. Once you're in Account Settings, you'll see the option to Move to Trash Can. In some locations, this option might appear as Move to Rubbish Bin, but regardless of the wording, it's the same action. Click this option, and Google will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. Review this carefully, as it will also remind you that this action is reversible for a limited time. After you confirm by clicking OK, the account won't be deleted immediately. Instead, it enters a 35-day waiting period where it resides in the trash can. This safety net allows you to recover the account if you change your mind within those 35 days. Keep in mind, after the 35 days, the deletion becomes permanent, and all associated properties, data streams, and historical data will be irretrievably lost. During this period, should you wish to restore the account, you can easily do so by visiting the trash can in the admin panel. And that's it! You've now learned how to delete a Google Analytics account while understanding the importance of access rights and the safeguards in place to protect your data. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.